Think you need soil to grow plants? Think again. What if I told you there are beautiful indoor plants that can grow in just water? No mess, no dirt, and almost zero effort. These plants not only survive, they thrive in water. If you're busy, lazy, or just want a clean aesthetic setup, this video will change how you grow plants forever. Let's dive into the 5 best indoor plants you can grow in water. Number 1. Lucky Bamboo. Lucky bamboo is probably the most iconic water-grown plant, and for good reason. This plant is practically designed for water life. You've probably seen it sitting in glass containers with decorative pebbles, looking clean and minimal. What makes Lucky Bamboo special is how adaptable it is. It doesn't need soil at all. Just place it in water, keep the roots submerged, and it will continue to grow steadily. It thrives best in indirect light, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or even bathrooms. Direct sunlight can actually damage the leaves, so softer lighting is ideal. One important tip: always use filtered or distilled water if possible. Tap water with chlorine can slowly harm the plant over time. Maintenance is extremely simple. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks to keep it fresh and prevent bacteria buildup. If you want to boost growth, you can add a tiny drop of liquid fertilizer once in a while, but honestly, Lucky Bamboo will do just fine without it. Another reason people love this plant is its meaning. It's associated with good luck, prosperity, and positive energy, especially in feng shui. That makes it not just a plant, but also a decorative symbol. If you're new to plants or just want something that looks great with almost no effort, Lucky Bamboo is the perfect place to start. Number 2. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest and fastest growing plants you can grow in water. If you've never tried water propagation before, this is the plant that will make you feel like an expert. All you need is a cutting. Just snip a vine below a node, place it in water, and within days, you'll start to see roots forming. What makes Pothos truly amazing is its resilience. It can tolerate low light, irregular care, and still continue to grow. Its trailing vines create a beautiful cascading effect, especially when placed in glass jars or hanging containers. This makes it perfect for aesthetic indoor setups or even YouTube backgrounds. To keep your Pothos happy in water, make sure at least one node is submerged, since that's where roots grow. Change the water every week or 2 to keep it clean. Over time, if you want faster growth, you can add a small amount of liquid fertilizer. Another great benefit? Pothos is known for helping improve indoor air quality. While it's not a miracle purifier, it still contributes to a fresher indoor environment. This plant is ideal for beginners because it's forgiving. Forget to change the water? It'll probably still survive. Low light? No problem. If you want a fast-growing, beautiful plant that thrives in water, Pothos is a must-have. Number 3. Spider plant. Spider plants are not only easy to grow, they're fun. What makes them unique is their ability to produce baby plants, often called spiderettes. These little offshoots can be cut and placed directly into water, where they quickly grow roots and become brand new plants. This makes spider plants one of the best choices if you want to multiply your collection for free. It's like having an endless supply of plants from just one mother plant. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect light, but they're also adaptable to lower light conditions. Their long, arching leaves bring a fresh, lively look to any indoor space. When grown in water, they look especially striking in clear containers where you can see the root system develop. To care for them in water, simply ensure the base of the plant is submerged. Change the water regularly to prevent stagnation. Like other water plants, a little liquid fertilizer once a month can help maintain healthy growth. They're also known for being pet-friendly and safe, which is a big plus if you have animals at home. If you enjoy propagation and want a plant that keeps giving back, spider plants are a fantastic choice. They're low maintenance, visually appealing, and incredibly rewarding to grow. Number 4. Peace Lily. If you want something elegant and a little more decorative, Peace Lily is a perfect option. Known for its beautiful white blooms and deep green leaves, this plant can also adapt to growing in water, though it may need a bit more care than the others on this list. Peace lilies thrive in indirect light and prefer a calm indoor environment. When grown in water, they bring a clean, modern aesthetic that fits perfectly in bedrooms or living rooms. Unlike some other plants, peace lily may require occasional nutrients since water alone doesn't provide everything it needs long-term. Adding a diluted liquid fertilizer once in a while will help keep it healthy and encourage blooming. One key thing to watch is the roots. Make sure only the roots are submerged, not the base of the leaves, since too much moisture can lead to rot. Changing the water every 1 to 2 weeks is essential to keep it fresh. Peace lilies are also known for their air-purifying qualities, making them both beautiful and functional. However, they are slightly toxic if ingested, so keep them away from pets and small children. If you want a plant that combines beauty, elegance, and a water-growing setup, peace lily is a stunning choice. Number 5. Philodendron. Philodendron is often compared to pothos, and for good reason. It shares many of the same easy-care traits but has its own unique charm. With its soft, heart-shaped leaves and smooth, trailing vines, it creates a more delicate and elegant look. Growing philodendron in water is incredibly simple. Just take a cutting below a node, place it in water, and roots will start to form within days. It adapts quickly and continues to grow steadily without needing soil. This plant thrives in medium to low light, making it perfect for indoor spaces that don't get a lot of sun. It's also very forgiving, so even if you're not consistent with care, it will still survive. To maintain healthy growth, change the water every couple of weeks and keep the container clean. Adding a small amount of fertilizer occasionally can boost growth, but it's not strictly necessary. Philodendrons are perfect for decorating shelves, desks, or hanging setups. Their vines can grow long and create a relaxing, natural vibe indoors. If you want a plant that's stylish, easy, and thrives in water with minimal effort, philodendron is a fantastic addition to your indoor garden. So there you have it. 5 amazing indoor plants that can grow in just water. No soil, no mess, and perfect for any lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more plant tips, and let me know in the comments, which one are you trying first? And remember, sometimes growing plants can be as simple as just adding water.